Okay, so today I'm going to be taking a look at two Breathe respirators from PrescientX. And I ordered the small and the medium-sized one, not the large one, because I wanted to see if they would fit on smaller faces. Okay, so here's the box. One mask right there. It's a gray one. Extra filters. It's a spacer ring. Two covers. Oh, spacer ring, more filters. Okay, so we got two little packages of filters. This one's bioaerosol filters. And this one is the particulate filter set. And then two masks, one in white, one in gray, and the gray one is labeled as small petit, and the white one is the medium moyen. Okay, so I'm unlikely to fit the small one, so I'm going to start with the medium-sized one. Okay, so these are from PrescientX in Cambridge, Ontario. I've used their nano mask in the past. Really liked it. And I've actually used the nanomask material in bulk as a filter on Corsi Rosenthal boxes. Okay. It's a little welcome to the Breathe respirator. Okay. So these come in small, medium, and large, or petit, moyen, grand, in both clear or white and gray. Okay. So, okay, so inside the package, there's a filter pre-installed. There's a little protector right here. And if you look on the inside right here, you can see the model number for the filter. Okay. And it comes by default with the ear clips, or the ear loops. And the ear loops, here we go. There's I think these are the ear savers. Little clip right here. I'm just going to use it with the ear clips, or with the ear straps. This is the medium one. Okay. So I need to tighten that up. So it has these little loops, right, or the little, I don't know what you call them, but little adjusters for the loops. You see them on some of the disposable masks, or the reusable cloth masks too. All right. So I need to tighten that up. There. Tighten that up some more. Adjust the nose clip. So I'm not feeling any air escaping over the nose or their cheeks or under the chin. You can see that it goes right under the chin, which is nice when you wear a little beard. This is similar to the GVS and the Comfort Air respirators, where they come under the chin, which is different than what I understand happens with the flow mask. Okay, so that seems to be good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put my hand over the filter on the front to see if I can get sort of a user seal check. Okay. Oh yeah, so I'm going to suck in. Let's try it with a piece of paper. Oh yeah, that feels good. When I suck in like that, I don't feel any air coming over my nose, through the chin area, or along the cheeks. I seem to be getting a really good fit like this. It's really good. And this is the medium mask, which I wasn't expecting because I normally wear a medium large mask, like the GVS or the Comfort Air. Now let's see what happens when I put my glasses on. Would you look at that? It actually works. This is different than what happens with the GVS mask. With the GVS mask, it always catches on top of the elastomer. In this case, it doesn't. It fits right behind it. This is really nice. I really like this a lot. Okay, and this is with just the ear loops on. Now, there is apparently also a head strap extra in here. See if I can open this. So this is really nice. I really like this. Okay. Okay, so this is the same material, the elastic materials we find with the ear loops, but I guess this is to go around the back. Let's try this out. All right. Well, that was really nice. Okay, how does this work? So there is, I see. I can take that off like that. Put that to the side. Take that off like that. So we now have the bare mask like that. Suppose strap it on like that, like that, that. Clip it around like that. Okay. Put that above like this. Okay, that's a little bit looser. See what happens if I pull this back. Okay, that's not very tight. Okay, I'm going to have to figure out how to... No, that's not tight enough. Still too... I'm going to figure out how to tighten this up. Okay, but at least with the... yeah, that's not tight enough. Yeah, I'm feeling air escape here and there. I need to figure out how to make this tighter. This is not tight enough. Okay, so the ear loops, surprisingly, are, in this case, right out of the box better than the head strap option. I need to figure out how to make that tighter. I will get back to you on that. Okay, and this feels like it's 3D printed. This little clip right here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right, I guess I gotta take a look at the instructions and go from there. But overall, oh, there we go. That's how you unclip it right there. There's the filter material. Like that. Okay, there's the bare material. So, Oh, and there is, oh, that's handy. That is handy right there. It's got a little notch right there. Here, dog wants to come and see. Oh, there we go. Okay. There's a notch to show direction, and it lines up with a little edge right there. Put that back on. Well, that's simple. Clip. You can feel that. Right back on there. Let's put these loops back on. See what happens. One. That's really simple, just like that. One and two. Oops. Yeah, very easy, very easy, very easy to put on. It's the material is just as comfortable as with the nano mask. That's really nice. Very light. It feels very light. Excellent. Okay. Let's check. This is the small. Okay. Okay, this one also comes with the head strap. Extra filters. In this case, the filters are darker colored on the outside. So you can see that they are different like that. Now, you can also see, so from the front, they're the same size. Right? Yeah, they're the same size in the front. But from the back, we can see that they are slightly different. This one is smaller. You can see that in terms of, here, if I line them up, once again. This one is clearly deeper. This one's not quite as deep. And the nose itself is a little bit lower as well. It's a little bit lower like that. Okay. There's a metal nose clip on the inside. You can see it on the outside of the clear one, the white one, but it's on the inside of the gray one as well. Okay, let's take a look to see if it fits my face. There's the, I'll keep that, that ear saver clip on the back. Okay. Okay. Need to adjust those little sliders there. Yeah, I'll get a little bit of an escape there. It fits. Yeah, no, I'm not getting quite a seal. You can see on the back, on the bottom here, I'm not getting much coverage over my chin. So this is the small one, which it's not unexpected that it's like that. Now, let's see how it would fit. This little mannequin head right here. So this is an Amazon purchase. It's a mannequin head, a styrofoam mannequin head that I got for about, I don't know, $6 or $8 or something like that. This is the Comfort Air respirator, the small medium version. Now, the small version of this mask fits relatively well on the small mannequin head. The small mannequin head doesn't fit. This is a sort of superficial sort of look to see, but it does cover into the chin like that. So this is more of a child's head size. I think that would work really well. I don't know if this would strap around in the back. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be done. Like that. Anyway, the small one doesn't fit me. It's too small for me, but it might fit kids, an adolescent, teenager, etc. But overall, pretty impressed. The material's really comfortable. The medium one does fit me, which is nice. I'll have to try it out a little bit longer. All right, excellent.